apologize here to human rights, the chairman and his wife. I've said a lot of things, but those things, I can't bring them back because those things are already gone viral. And you can't continue fighting forever, No, people die in hell. People die any second. You can't continue fighting forever. This is 2022 and I want everything to go, because I know a lot of people will start saying, oh, she was lying. I don't care. Those things won't push me to start arguing that, oh, I am saying the truth. I won't say anything. If you want to say I'm lying, if you want to say I'm saying the truth, it doesn't matter. All I want is peace. When you are driving for peace, you don't want to remember things that has happened.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Mercy. When I remember Mercy wey in with human rights get problem before, Mercy don finally come out come beg Rlicious native daughter say make e forgive am. My people, oh, not be small thing, not wey Musa no go see for gate, and not the way person no go see for the social media. So Mercy, say you go beg. Now you can't begin dey misbehave. Me, I no understand. Why it be say if una start something, una not dey fit finish am. Say you go come beg later. You no go fit follow human rights fight case again. Now you can't come out now. They laugh, they beg, may they forgive you, and you want beg them. So everything when you talk that time, na lie, you lie. I be they also go threaten you for back. Now wow. Wait till una know say una no go fit finish. Una no dey start am again. And you go let many people involved for this thing finish now. Then you can't come out now, they beg Mercy. Mercy. Now what for you? Now what for you? Eh? Una go dey start what una no fit finish. Una go dey start am. But they go dey cash una not be small. Eh? My people, this one shockalize me like seriously. Mercy finally they beg, may they forgive her. Now what my darling people, I will put the video more and see about myself. So say you know if you finish this thing, you can't go start am. Where the cassava where you say you get? Say you get Rlicious native daughter cassava. Where the cassava? Where the many things? I be what the man rate of saying that you said this and that and that truth. Now wow, my people, let me wanna go hear this one. The more I can't hear Tori. Me una can't hear video.
The chairman and his wife, I've said a lot of things, but those things, I can't bring them back because those things are already gone viral. And you can't continue fighting forever, No, people die in hell. People die any second. You can't continue fighting forever. This is 2022 and I want everything to go, because I know a lot of people will start saying, oh, she was lying. I don't care. Those things won't push me to start arguing that, oh, I am saying the truth. I won't say anything. If you want to say I'm lying, if you want to say I'm saying the truth, it doesn't matter. All I want is peace. When you are driving for peace, you don't want to remember things that has happened. You don't expect me to bring a matured man's nude picture. It doesn't work that way. I'm decent. Even if I don't date him, I won't do it. Even my own husband, whom I've married for 5 years, you guys definitely know I know everything about him, but I will not bring this nude picture. Why will I do that? There's no need for that, But what I'm saying here is please and please. Please and please, don't worry, Thank God. I'm very healthy, maybe because I'm still young, so my mental health is not really affected. But as a human being, yeah, sometimes you get upset. If you claim you don't get upset, then you lie. You're lying. Yeah, I just want not to make peace with my husband. We are not fighting, we have differences and everybody has moved on. What is there? Why do you guys think if someone is not married to someone again, then there must be crisis? We don't have crisis, We are not compatible and I move on, he moved on. If I want to marry today, I'm married. In fact, I'm going to marry. That's it. Anyway, that is not the essence of this video. Please, human rights chairman, and why will you guys be bringing issue here? This is it Igbo name abi Chime Nene abi Oluchi? Why do you guys like bringing issues? Calling someone a barren woman or whatever. When you are insulting, do you insult anyone so that the person will be happy or something? I don't want to say they say a lot of things about me. Of course, they call me prostitute or slut. Don't call me and preach to me. I am apologizing. I don't want to say because I'm not wrong. I don't want to start putting words, but I know what I'm up to, right? Let peace take its course. I don't want to start dragging. I wonder, and this woman I'm seeing on this, what do they call, profile is a matured woman. She should be like my mother's mate, you know, and you type in rubbish here. Why can't you have just more respect for yourself? I'm not going to insult anybody. Like I told you guys in my other post, nowadays, I have grown a thick skin. Very thick skin. If you insult me, there's no kind of insult I've not had in this life. Prostitute, sleeping with my husband snatcher, you know. If it's easy, if you think prostitution is easy, sister, go open your kwekus now. If you think it's easy, go and do it and get the money. You're not calling my name nasty face. It's not my name. You're calling money, money, money. If you think prostitution is easy, sis, honey, go do it. How do I put it? Go do them. Open your kwekus. Come back and tell me if it's easy. You guys just like the only thing I could say about that. I feel I'm just blessed, you know, because people just love me the way I am. If you know me, I'm very sincere. I don't want to start dragging, like I said before. When you are out for peace, you don't want to talk about things someone has said to you, whether the person insulted you or not. All you want to say is you are sorry. And I'm telling the human right now that I'm sorry for whatever I said. I don't want to go back. Even if you say I was lying, it's left for you, you know. I want peace to take its course, and you can drag me back. You can drag me back. So I don't care. Yeah, thank you so much. Human right, I know people are saying, oh, they will call you, come to their video and film, whatever. You guys forget that I'm also an influencer, maybe probably in the beauty aspect, like skincare. I know everything about internet. So going there to talk is not, I am not shy of camera. You guys know, I've been on social media for years before I even came back to Nigeria. So all this is just not worry me. And if it takes even lying down to say I'm sorry, I will do it. Okay, because I know what I've missed. I would have continued doing my business up and down, using mouth to fight what is not relevant. Don't you think I can even kneel down to say sorry? Wasting my time? I don't care. Whatever you can even call me a prostitute. So far as I'm getting my cash. Money matters. We know what is that was it. What is that? I'm trying to see. So guys, please, if you know you love me, I love everybody. Even if you insult me, I still love you because God said we should love. And this new year, everything about me is love, love, love. I'm making money. I'm not talking about it, but I don't have time to even reply. If you insult me, I will block you. I will not reply. The best thing I will do is block you. Insulting or replying back in a harsh way, it's not going to be part of 2021 agenda. Strictly on good vibes. I don't have time to insult anybody. I don't have time to like drag people. If you know me, I've been on social media for long. What I do basically on social media is to talk about skincare. I've been here for years. My old account was hacked. If not, it started Facebook in 2014 during my undergraduate, you know. I was barely, I think, 17 or 18 or something. I started Facebook. So it's not today, but the old account has been hacked. All I was doing is about beauty. I like posting about creams, you know. So if you are here to insult me, I don't care. Seriously. Is there any kind of insult that is new? Prostitute. The worst is prostitute, husband snatcher. Me we made a call for you. You're telling me husband snatcher. Can't go on social media people not phone you. What is that one? I don't look for trouble. Seriously, I'm a very calm person in real life. You guys don't know. You know what happened to me? A lot of people criticizing me. If you were in my shoes, I don't know what you. Maybe you'd have done more. Anyway, human rights. I'm so sorry. Chairman and his wife. You guys are doing a great work. I'm so sorry. to interfere in your relationship. Coming on social media, posting someone else a video was not right. I think that is where I actually wrong. But you coming to tell me I said this, you wasn't right as well. But I don't want to go back to like talk about the past anyway. The deed has happened and we can't bring back the past. All I want to say here is I'm so sorry. Very sorry, human right. Forgive me, chairman, forgive me. You are a public figure. You make me to be a public figure too. You are a public figure. So please, let's not be dragging, because one day someone may refer you back to the past. You are human right and this, that, Please, there's no room for argument. There's no room for dragging up and down. I should be your younger sister or last born, and I'm supposed to give you your due respect as well, So I'm so sorry. See this person message, you are here to read comment or what? Why are you guys so provoking? Why? And these are old women. Haba, women. The funniest thing is that it's women that bully. Why now? Why? We are women and we don't have love. Why? Why do you guys do that? Does it profit you when you insult